Sure we can do it. We just got to. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know we can do it. Sure we can do it. We got
No, you can't just laugh the entire time. Hello. We've got our guests. They've arrived. This is Louise. And we've done all the right things. We've had tea and cake and now we've had some wine. And yeah, so things are getting a little noisier, which is good. But I've dragged Louise outside to come and do exciting things like knock out the duck house.
It's true.
So today again I've been joined by Monty, except today he's on top of the duck house because we've got the doors open and we're just putting the fresh bedding in. So he's come to, well, I had thought he'd come to see what was going on, but apparently it's time for a wash. Very cute. So it's not going to be much of a vlog today. Actually, and as I speak to you, I'm straddled either side of a fence, and it's not the most comfortable place to be. So there won't be much of a vlog today, but I am going to get Tony and Louise singing. You were okay with that, weren't you? Yes, yes. So we're going to get them singing, and I'll get that up on the vlog tomorrow. So yesterday I showed you the chickens that were going to go in the oven today. Well, as you can see behind me, I've taken them out of the oven to see how they're getting on, and wow, what a difference. Now I've already cut down each side of the legs to see how well cooked they are, and so this is the fatty, the Ross called meat bird. And it smells nice. It smells like a chicken. You know, it's good. And this is the, oh, sorry, that's not very polite. And this is the Welsummer boy, who's not a meat bird, but good grief, what a difference. It smells fantastic. It smells like chicken used to smell when we were kids. Well, it's now late o'clock. And it is late, yes. And we've eaten our meal. And so I'm just going to do a quick around the table and get the verdict on which chicken everyone preferred. So, Mr. J, which chicken did you prefer, the fatty or the Welsummer?
Well, actually, they were both very nice, but the Welsummer was well betterer.
Excellent. Louise, which one did you?
I must admit, I like Mr. J. I enjoyed them both just as much, but I think my favourite was the Welsummer, definitely.
Excellent. And this is Tony. Hello, Tony.
I like the one on my plate.
Yay!
Beautiful.
Brilliant. So wherever you are in the world, and whatever you're up to today, get one of your friends to sing for you.